What if a single riverside neighborhood could capture the entire soul of a city through color, history, and timeless rhythm? Ribeira is not just a district of Porto, but a living postcard where narrow streets and river views tell centuries of stories. Today, we walk through Ribeira, discovering hidden corners, vibrant facades, and the heartbeat of Porto's historic charm. Walking through Ribeira, Porto's historic heart. Cais de Ribeira, the riverfront awakens. The riverside promenade opens with colorful buildings stacked above the Douro River, reflecting beautifully in the calm water. Morning light softens the scene, as cafes prepare for the day and boats drift quietly below. Da Muisai Bridge, iconic skyline view. The Da Muisai Bridge rises gracefully above the river, connecting Porto with Vila Nova de Gaia. From its upper level, panoramic views reveal rooftops, tiled facades, and endless flowing water. Azulejo tiled streets, art in every detail. Traditional blue azulejo tiles decorate churches and buildings, telling stories through intricate ceramic patterns. Walking past them feels like moving through open-air galleries hidden within everyday life. Narrow medieval alleys, layers of history. Steep stone alleys twist unpredictably, leading to small squares and secret viewpoints overlooking the river. Each turn feels cinematic and immersive, as if centuries remain quietly alive around you. São Francisco Church, Baroque grandeur. The exterior appears modest, but inside gold-covered carvings create dramatic and overwhelming beauty. Stepping into this space feels powerful, where artistry and devotion blend intensely. Ribeira Square, lively energy. The central square fills with music, conversation, and clinking glasses under warm Portuguese sunlight. Street performers and locals create an atmosphere vibrant yet comfortably intimate. Douro River boats, traditional Rebelo vessels. Historic Rebelo boats rest gently on the Douro, once used to transport barrels of port wine. Watching them drift slowly connects modern visitors to Porto's trading heritage. Port wine cellars, across the river. Just across the bridge, Vila Nova de Gaia houses legendary port wine cellars rich in history. A tasting session reveals flavors shaped by time, climate, and tradition. Hidden balconies, everyday life above. Above street level, balconies overflow with laundry, plants, and glimpses of daily Portuguese life. These small details make Ribeira feel authentic rather than staged for visitors. Cathedral viewpoint, overlooking the old town. From Porto Cathedral's terrace, Ribeira spreads below in terracotta layers beside the Douro. The elevated view highlights the harmony between architecture and river. Local cafes, slow afternoon pause. Tucked between narrow streets, small cafes offer espresso and pastries in relaxed settings. Sitting quietly allows you to observe the rhythm of locals and travelers alike. Evening golden light, riverside glow. As sunset approaches, golden light transforms the colorful facades into warm glowing tones. The river mirrors the sky, creating a peaceful cinematic atmosphere. Street musicians, echoes in the alleyways. Soft guitar melodies echo through stone corridors, blending naturally with evening conversation. Music fills the air gently, adding emotion to every step. Mercado Ferreira Borges, cultural touchpoint. The iron structure of Mercado Ferreira Borges stands as a symbol of Porto's commercial past. Inside, exhibitions and cultural events keep history relevant and alive. Clarigos Tower, a city landmark nearby. Clarigos Tower rises above the skyline, visible from many corners of Ribeira's winding streets. Its presence reminds visitors of Porto's architectural grandeur beyond the riverfront. Late evening walk, timeless stillness. As crowds fade, footsteps echo softly along cobblestone streets beside the calm water. In these final quiet moments, Ribeira feels eternal and deeply personal. Walking through Ribeira is not just sightseeing, but stepping into a living story shaped by river, resilience, color, and centuries of human connection. Every cobblestone, every balcony, and every reflection in the Douro feels like a quiet reminder that history is still breathing here. As night settles and the river glows beneath golden lights, Porto's historic heart reveals its most intimate and timeless beauty. And long after you leave these winding streets, the rhythm of Ribeira continues flowing within you, like the river that never truly stops.